Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is going to end up. Hey, I told you earlier in the last video you need to go outside. It's really nice outside. Um, this is going to end up being the answer for warm up number 4. Guys, I encourage you last video, same thing now. Make sure you are going on and doing the test yourself assessment. If you wait until, I don't know, Saturday night at 10 p.m., 11 p.m., before it's almost midnight, or Sunday night, not Saturday, Sunday night, and it's like 11 p.m. and you're trying to do that test yourself assessment one time, you're going to get a bad grade on it. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be difficult. I know some of you guys are going to blow my email up on Monday saying it's so hard, I can't get it, I don't understand, there's nothing I can do, but the videos are there. All the warm-ups are coming from the test yourself assessment because I'm taking them. It's not easy. It's doable. I'm willing to curve it, but I know some students will get hundreds, so there's not too many points I can curve it with. But I'm here to help you guys out. You know that. All right, let's go ahead. Let's work through this problem. Warm up number 4. It talks about Emma. Yeah, Emma from fourth period and what? Fourth and fifth. Emma buys and sells truck parts. Good job, Emma. She bought 2 tires for $35 each and later sold them for $65 each. All right. She bought 3 rims for $75 each and later sold them for $136 each. She bought 5 headlight covers for $4 each and later sold them for $15 each. What is Emma's total profit? So we want to know how much money Emma makes. All right, so 2 things are taking place, okay? She buys things. So over here, this is what she bought. She bought it and she ended up, what's the other thing? She sold it. All right, she sold it. We'll put that on that side. And then down here, this will end up being our profit. We'll figure that out. All right, the first thing she ended up doing, she bought 2 tires for $35. Well, that's easy. That's 2 times 35. That's how I would figure that out. And later, she sold them for $65 each. Well, let's just concentrate on the bought aspect, okay? So right now, I'm at 2 tires bought for 35. Then she bought 3 rims for 75, and I know I have to add that, so 3 at 75. And the last part is going to end up being, where's my mouse? She bought 5 headlight covers for $4 a piece. So that is plus 5 times 4. I'm going to get my phone out and get my calculator out because I yell at you guys in class all the time to use a calculator and make your life easier. All right, 2 times 35 is going to end up being 70. Easy math problem, but I'm using a calculator because I encourage you guys to always use a calculator. Then it's going to be 3 times 75. That's easy. If I had, yeah, it's going to end up being 225. And I'm even going to plug in on my calculator on my phone 5 times 4 because I love it when you guys use calculators because we are in 2020. Even though it's a miserable year, we have the technology. Now I would add all of those things together, and I'm going to end up adding 70 plus 225 plus 20 equals $315. So I know Emma, good job, Emma, because apparently you're all about buying truck parts. I know Emma bought them for $315. All right. Now I'm coming over to the sold side, and it's the same situation. But this time, instead of buying stuff, I need to figure out how much she sold these 2 tires for. And she sold them, right, for $65 each. Well, that's 2 at 65. And I'm going to add that. And then she bought 3 rims for $75 each, right? And then she sold them for 136. All right. She sold all 3 of them for 136. And my last part, she bought 5 headlight covers for $4 each and later sold them for $15 each. So she sold all 5 of the headlight covers for $15 a piece. Now I would multiply all of these first, and then I would add those 3 numbers up. Going back to my phone on my calculator, because calculators are great, 2 times 65 gives me 130. And then I need to end up doing 3 times 136, which is 408. And the last one is going to end up being 5 times 15, which is 75. I would add all of that together. So 130 plus 408 plus 75 gives me $613 that she sold them for. Well, 613 is definitely bigger than 315, so I know Emma's not in the negative. She definitely made money here. And I would just end up doing 613 minus 315. And we will end up with a total of $298. All right, that is a dollar sign. It's a bad dollar sign, but it's a dollar sign. All right, $298 is going to end up being your final answer. All right, Emma, good job making money. Guys, hopefully you're doing all right. Warm up number 4. Keep up the good work. Make sure to do the test yourself assessments and get done with the videos as well by Sunday at midnight. Bye, guys.